Okay, stinging nettles deserves its reputation as having a very powerful sting. That sting is actually from formic acid. This is Urtica dioica, and urtica refers to urticization, which is hives, which is sometimes what nettles can give you if you pick it barehanded. On the other hand, if you do pick it barehanded, above a leaf joint like that, yes, beautiful. This actually helps to reduce pain and arthritic swelling in the body. An old use of nettle is to actually, like for a sore back, for example, to actually take a big piece of it and whip the back with it. I've had people tell me that put me out of back pain for 6 months to do that. But the nettles for infusion or for eating, we use when it's not in flower. So these taller, older plants that are right nearby, I'm not going to pick this now for tea, though some are in flower and some are in seed. I can gather seeds for the whole nettle. The whole nettle plant is an adrenal restorative, an adrenal gland nourisher, very helpful for fatigue, for depletion, for overload, for overwhelm. So 2 different parts. We use the leaves and the stalks to cook as a vegetable and eat. It's delicious. And what I do is I use the plant before it flowers and seeds, usually probably a foot tall or 2 feet tall, and I cook it really, really well in water for about 20 minutes to a half an hour. You don't want it to sting your mouth at all as you're eating it. You want it to be a delightful experience. Or we hang it to dry for infusion, which is, it's a life-enhancing medicine. So much so, it builds the blood, it works on the lymph, it's useful in all kinds of bacterial and viral infections. But the simplest way I can say it is think about nettles for when you feel exhausted. This is a plant that will strengthen you through oh, that stung me. I wasn't paying attention. So that's another thing. Nettle's spirit medicine is pay attention. Nettle's spirit medicine is respect. You can't just grab nettles. Nettles hurt you when you do that. So thank you, Nettle, for reminding me to say that. Very important. One of the ways I say it to myself and teach it to my students is nettle helps you to remember that your body is sacred space. Just as nettle's body is sacred space, you don't just grab it. Don't just grab at anything, right? But nettle doesn't let you do that. So nettle, when we take this, we imbibe it, we take it into ourselves as food or drink. That's the medicine we're taking in of learning how to stand up for ourselves, learning how to claim our space, if you will, and have self-respect. That's so important. So nettle for strength, for the immune system, for the blood, for the veins, for the arteries, for the kidneys, for the lungs, and for self-respect. Other than that, it's not that helpful. Okay, just kidding, of course. But yeah, I love stinging nettles, love stinging nettles.
I think I need some nettles.
Yes, nettles would be perfect for you right now.